princess, tapos gagawin ka lang.
Yun!
Mapanse! Mapanse!
Ano bag yun? Nakuha. Basta ang tagal mag-revive. Pakuha nga ni. Masabog. Musugod. Sugod. Hi guys, my name is Aba Ruste from Greater Desaya, running for position of secretary. Saan yung mo, plataforma mo? Tapos yung tagline mo. Magana pa mamaya. Practice. May kate. May sila, may tagline sila sa tulong. Ang galing. Kaninang cellphone mo? Uy, apasin mo nga yung tayo. Wala si Cristel, nasan siya? Mamaya na pagbalik. I-send mo yun, yung mga video natin. Yun, 14 days natin. Hindi, BTS. BTS! Oo naman. Zoom! Ano to?
Ipili ka lang, go to chat.
How dare he try to leave me like this? Damn, Jack, I need to confront him face to face.
Pinagagawin ng cellphone. Hindi ko alam. Ayun, nag-open yung
Alam ko, ginano lang yun Parang, punta mo na lang sa teacher, Rodin.
Ayan. Bibindusin mo lang.
Oh my God! Such a weirdo. This scumbag finally shows up.
Maghihiganti ka.
Why this cleaning lady you're so early today? Emily, how come
Uy, lalaki yan, lalaki.
Emily, how come you're here?
Babae.
Bastard! Planning to enter marriage without even telling me. And who is she? You're Emily, huh? Jack's always complaining about how boring you are in bed. You'll soon be his ex-wife.
Emily, stop! Sophia is pregnant with my child. Let's divorce. I got the papers already. You dare to hit me, ugly hug? Guard, kick this annoying woman out.
Kay Emma. Ano ba naman yun
Parang tira. Wala na.
Bakit mo ka bonding, Emma?
Wala na.
For the lang yun. For the...
Ulit.
Ulit na.
Ulit sa pinaka-umpisa. Ulit. Go.
What this? The first paper? How dare you try to How dare you try to leave me like this? Damn, Jack, I need to confront him face to face. Where's that chick? Bitch. I'm explaining later, it's so early today.
Lalaki.
Finally, how come you're here?
The bastard planning to end our marriage without telling me? And who is she? You're Emily, huh? Jack's always complaining how boring you are in bed. You'll soon be his ex-wife.
Emily, stop! Sophia is pregnant with my child. Let's divorce.
Ba naman yun? Ba't...
Subukan mo ulit ano yan. Sinampal.
You dare to hit me, ugly hug? Guard, kick this annoying woman out.
Guard forces Emily out of the office and she falls in the pile of rocks.
Divorcing me this easily? No way, I make them regret it. Settle this in court.
Today's court date, I must be short and reclaim what's mine to be left. It's time to dress in my most formal attire. Let's go! Very slay. I'm just a professional. I'm ready to go. This is a mess. Uy, Bella, ano ko na? Yung sa camera ko maliit. Ano ko na sa YouTube. Ano ko? Dadalhin ko sa